Hi guys, today I'm going to prepare a simple food. As, I'll just make a spaghetti and salad. I will make spaghetti for our guests. We have our guests today for lunch, Amy and also Steve, and with the kid. So this is for our lunch and I need to start cooking. So later you're gonna see them on the table. Okay. I'll be back later, guys. Thank you so much. So here is the sauce, guys. I prepare differently the way I prepare spaghetti Filipso. The spaghetti sauce I mix to the ground beef. Then before the ground beef, I fry first with the garlic and onion, as well as with the bell pepper. Then I add a little olive oil. Then cook it well the meat, and I add here to a mushroom. So that's ready to mix to my noodles here. I think the noodles is already cooked. It's time for me to drain the boiling water. Need to turn off the light. So I'll be back, guys, so I can drain the water. Oh yeah, done draining the water, guys. So I need to mix the sauce here. Oops, a little bit heavy. There you go. Got it. Here, guys. Now I need to mix the everything here. So yummy. Smells good. We have visitors today, guys. Amy wants to drop by here, and then I said I will make you spaghetti, guys. So now I'm cooking here, almost done. Yummy. I need to taste. That's already finished, guys. Then we will waiting for the visitor to come. I need to cover this one. There. So, because I wanna make salad for them, I will cut some lettuce there. Look at Ondoy's food here, very yummy. Ondoy and Kuya Doro last night, they went to the water, then the fish, some what's this? Crabs, fish, little fish. Then I cook it. I add a lot of tomatoes. So I'll be back, guys. Yeah. Who's that? Here's my visitor, guys. Amy. What is that? What kind of soup?
Chickpea soup? Bean soup? I don't know.
I just done cooking spaghetti.
Cooking?
Yeah. Yeah, good morning, Steve. Let's get inside. Come on. Hey. Hey, yeah. Get inside. Hey, come on. Oops. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're having a lunch here with our guest, Steve and Amy, and Philip. We're having a nice soup here. Very, very nice soup. And with
Nice
the
soup,
salad,
nice spaghetti, and nice salad.
spaghetti. Simple food. And yummy, delicious one. We still have a lot here. You guys, if you wanna come visit us here,
You can have some more.
Yeah, I got plenty of everything. Plenty of spaghetti, plenty of soup.
and little she's having, oh, no more. She ate so fast, Daile. Ate fast. And here is my soap. Wow, so yummy. Thanks, Steve, for the soap and Amy.
We cooked that.
Delicious. Very delicious.
Of course I cooked it. I wouldn't let you to cook something delicious as that.
So this is a Greek.
Actually, it's not Greek. This is Australian, American.
Australian, wow.
Oh yeah, we got ham and pea soup. Oh, big in the U.S.
Yeah.
So yummy, guys. Mmm.
Oh boy,
Pinatingog ba? Hindi lang mo ba kita?
Pakita mo na rin.
Just wait till it cools
Sarap.
down a little.
And that's little food. Hi, guys. Oh, maganda. Wow.
Yeah.
Who did that?
I did that.
Really?
No.
Hindi po that.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, and then for how many weeks or days, for sure somebody will do that too.
got? Alicia's Piggery
It's
Where?
a farm.
and Poultry Farm.
Actually, it's not yet done. We have some here. We're going to
Oh,
put some here together with our telephone number. So
wow, who did that? Did you went to the
yeah, friend.
print?
Yeah, actually I'm not.
Wow, very nice.
Yep. Oh,
Wow. Wow.
Lalagay ko pa to, ate.
Lagyan mo. Ah, wow, very nice car.
Where's Alicia? Saan na yun?
Lagyan mo.
Saan na yung Alicia?
Hardworking mom.
There's gold here. I have to
Yeah,
get some
that's a
gold.
black gold soil.
Ay, mali. Baby, I lost you. Just stay with mommy.
Kaya mo na, ano?
Okay.
Wala pa naman akong ligo.
Huh?
Thank you.
Bye, thank you too.
Yeah. Sa, come on.
Hey, shout out po ko nga.
Okay.
yeah, take care of yourself. Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
Nice, what do you call this one? Label.